Okay, it's day 2 of being on the trail. Now, we left Saturday really early in the morning to meet up, to drive down to do the Ozark Overland Adventure Trail. That being said, obviously we had a lot of breakdowns. We got in pretty late last night. Once again, about 3 hours behind. Not a surprise. And we pushed really hard last night, which you guys didn't really get to see too much footage because it's all going to be nighttime. It's all going to be at night. So I got up this morning. I believe I left off with the campground that is in the day 1 of the OOAT, and you kind of see it in the background. I came back up here. Hey, there's not really that many people here, and the campground is gorgeous. Like I said, one way in, one way out, loop around, and like I said before, you stop at the little board, you pay for the campsite for the day, and that's it. I mean, it's really an honor system, and let's honor it because they take care of this. It's really nice, and I'm passing it right there. So that's where I left you last night. I'm going to take you down to where we camped because at this campsite you can only have 2 vehicles per campsite. We have 3. Not a big deal. We could have got 2 sites, but we knew on the trail system and our maps, we actually have campsites mapped out. So we're like, oh, let's go check it out. Let's see if this is actually going to do any good. Let's see if it's any good for us. And it was. It was perfect. We didn't want to be rude and wake these people up that were already there anyways at the campground. So, anyways, let me share some of this trail with you.
Red hot sun beating down on my neck again, and that's always when I remember the summers we had, oh, way back then, that I can't forget. Pack a bag and head on south to a border town.
Campsites all over the sides. Just keep an eye out. And here is ours, and there's the boys right there. So I'm gonna back in and load up, and I'm gonna grab these guys. Aaron, can we get ready? I just found something cool I want to go take you guys to.
I'm drinking coffee.
Okay, well, it's right up the street. Well, we didn't see at all last night.
Okay. Well, it's tight
and
we'll go check it out.
And we have to put it in 4-wheel drive to get up it.
So then, yeah, let's tighten my opinion.
Yeah, let's do this. I need coffee too.
It's good stuff.
Josh is all excited about showing us something that we drove past last night.
Yeah. Anyone want to film?
I guess they found the trail.
Anyone want to film?
Wait, hold on a second. Stop. This is in the video. It's illegal.
There's nothing posted. What do you mean it's illegal?
Yeah, he acknowledged that. He said people are inclined to want to go up here. He specifically said, you guys can go up if you want to, but if somebody drives by, you're going to get fined. You can walk up it, you just can't drive up it, now that I see it. Sorry.
Right. You can clearly tell people drive up this.
Yeah. So we hiked it instead because apparently, even though it's not marked, you're not allowed to drive up it. So better safe than sorry. We hiked it, and it is worth
No
the
cares
hike.
of where and when. We're just getting in the groove. And sometimes I wish I could relive all the summer nights that we spent. And take me back to margarita shots, good tequila, long summer nights, kissing senoritas, parties by the ocean, bars that's never closing, hearts ran wild in this paradise, hoping we were free. It's a matter of fact, take me back. Oh, we get in some trouble, man, every now and again in that crowd. We were the love 'em and leave 'em in, hoping nobody else found out. And sometimes
What are you doing?
I wish I could relive.
What are you doing?
all the summer nights.
I'm going to join you, Dory. Like Aaron stated, Matt from Ozark, he put in his video that you're going to want to drive that. Obviously, I wanted to drive that. Absolutely wanted to drive that. Apparently here they don't mark stuff like they do in PA with trespassing or posted, no motorized vehicle. Any type of sign could have been posted right there to keep people from trying to go up it in their vehicle. We didn't, obviously. We hiked it. So worth the hike. It is a hike. Your legs, well, for your average guy, your legs are going to be burning going up it. Ours were, so worth checking out. Take the 20 minutes, check it out. You'll love it. There's a view to look at, and then looking at the rock face, awesome. So, time to finish day one and start of day two, and we're once again behind schedule. Alright, so we came to a bridge, little one-way bridge, so be careful going across, don't be flying. We just ran into a guy with a Lexus that literally was hauling, like, no need for that. A. B, there's people up here camping. There was a dog on the road. We were trying to get the dog off the road because Dory was barking, Zoe was barking, craziness, and we just figured it was, try to help her out. And now we're moving again. So go slow. Don't be that guy. You're not that guy. Don't be that guy. This is why we go slow on the roads and the trails. Right here. For the last one. Yeah, there's horses, so go slow. Those people, they could have spooked the horses like that. Come on. Slow it down. Enjoy nature for what it is. Okay, we're at a spot, a waterfall it looks like, and it's pretty well maintained. I mean, there's steps, so